guys, welcome back to channel. This is KP Question Man. So, in we discussing about the 4th semester BCA and BSc Computer Science Database Management System and RDBMS 2023 question paper. So, section A and the 2 mark question. The first question is database administrators duties. It's an important question. Video full important questions and repeated questions. And the second one is relational model explain. And the third one is data independence. It's an important question. And the fourth one is a suitable example. Foreign key and primary key differentiate. It's an also very important question. And the fifth one another entity concept discuss. And sixth one normalization needs right. And the seventh one another bad decomposition, good decomposition and the eighth one the aggregate functions and the ninth one another group by clauses uses and the 10th one a review in the example. And the 11th one deadlock and explain and the 12th one cursor use and it's an important question. Next we are moving to section B, 5 more questions. Next 13th one different extended ER features discuss it's an important question. And next 14th one RDMS approach adinte advantages and disadvantages it's an important question. 15th one different join operations and the types discuss. Next 16th one the fifth normal forms join dependence it's an important question. Next 17th one in logs different types of logs detail I discuss. And the 18th one another user defined function engane created or example explain. And the 19th one another relational calculus or example. Next we are moving to the section Z. Section Z 2 questions very important 10 mark questions and the 20th one is explain different data models in details. Detail at different types of data models explain. And the 21 another endana trigger എന്നും അതിന്റെ റിലവൻസിനെ കുറിച്ചും അത് എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരു ട്രിഗർ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണമെന്നും എഴുതി കൊടുക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് 4th സെമസ്റ്റർ BCA and BSc Computer Science ന്റെ Database Management and RDBMS 2023 question paper 2022-21 and important questions ഒക്കെ ഇതേ ചാനലിൽ പോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യും. Thank you for watching this video.